Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and this episode will be all about our SAMGYUPSAL cravings. So commute lang ta for now kaya dili pa ako kabalog yun mo drive na wala pa yung license, wala pa po tayo car. So karon, we're here at Jeju SAMGYUPSAL and they do have two sets. The difference is that their set B naa siya inclusion nga beef or beef cuts. So right now I am with my auntie who is also my samgyup buddy. In fact, daghan na mi kay na-try nga Korean barbecue restaurant diri sa Cebu, and wala na ako ma-save ang other videos, so we will be showing only 3 Korean barbecue restaurants nga among na-visit recently. Alright, and diri sa Jeju, ilang samgyup na sila thick and thinly sliced nga samgyupsal, so you can have your choice, but you can also have both. And daghan po kayo sila mga side dishes diri, and personally I like their Korean fried chicken. First time po na ako na-try diri ang kimchi Korean pancake na wala sa uban nga mga side dishes. So let's eat. And as always, dili gyud mawala atong pa-time lapse diri. And you will also notice depo diri, unlike sa uban, is ang ilahang grill is rectangular. And what I also like about this place is their ambience. It's vibrant at the same time it's light, so nigabot nimo diri makaanag gyud kaga And after nimo mabusog, ila ning is-serve ning cute kay nga flower jelly.
Several days later.
Alright, so ang next na pod nga Korean restaurant nga mag-visit is at Han Pork sa ilang branch dito sa Mango, and this is for only 360 pesos per person. They do not have the option to have beef, pero sulit gyapon siya if you're into pork, but their pork is dili siya nga naka-thinly sliced, but it's still good, especially when you cut them into small pieces. So we still enjoy the food right here. Their service is really quick. In fact, magbantay gud ang ilang mga tao diri kung nahurot na imuhang kanang side dish or imong pork. If you want refill, i-refill gud nila dayon. So we enjoyed it here. Also, their Korean fried chicken is good. Dili lang po nga nakadaghan nila hang side dish, pero given nga they're only 360 pesos, it's still very sulit.
3 days later.
And yay! Lastly, we're here at Chuseon Chicken sa ilahang branch sa APM. In fact, nakatry me diri before, but dili ni sila samgyup, and right now they have samgyup and unlimited chicken options. So upon arrival, pawaton ka nila mga 5 minutes kay they are preparing your table, and of course naset na ng side dish sa table, and they're also preparing your chicken. So they have 5 flavors sa ilang chicken. They have honey glazed soy sauce, sweet, spicy, Korean style fried chicken, and cheese powder topping. So they will let you decide and choose on sa imong flavors, and they're going to cook it for you and serve. Now their pork here, dili po siya nga naka-thick and di po siya nga ka-thin. It's still good, and we actually enjoyed it here. They do have a lot of side dishes. Wala lang sila tuwing steamed egg. But for a price of 380 pesos per person, it's still very sulit. Samgyup na sad. Alright guys, so let me know asa sa tulo nga Korean restaurants nga mo na-visit today ang inyong pinaka-favorite. And if namin na-try nga laing Korean restaurant or SAMGYUPSAL restaurant nga bag-o diri sa Cebu, let us know para atong ma-visit. And thank you again for watching.